Okay, welcome to Onshape. Once you've created your account, and make sure when you've created your account that your default unit settings are millimeters because it's conventionally easy for us to work in. The first thing I want you to do is create a new document. So top left hand side, blue box, click create and create document. We're going to call this bracket 1 and we're going to create a very simple bracket. And we're just going to wait for it to load our workspace. When we get our workspace, we have three different work planes here. We've got a front plane, top plane, and a right plane. To make things easy for us, we're going to work in the right plane. So we're going to just right-click on the front plane. I'm going to hide that. Right-click on the top plane and hide the top plane. So that leaves me with the right plane. I'm going to start a new sketch. Sketch is a drawing. And I'm going to sketch on my right plane. I've just clicked on it. And to make it really easy, my navigation cube here, I'm going to click on the right so I can draw front on. And I'm going to draw a simple L shape. I'm going to go for an L. So I've just drawn a line there. And once I've drawn the line, I'm just going to change the size of it from there to there. And that line wants to be, let's say 60. And I'm going to draw another line. I'm going to just snap to this point here. And this could be, let's make this 70. So I'm going to left click once to stop the line and it'll give me the chance to change the line. So I'm going to go type in 70, start another line, left click once, type in the number of 3 because it's going to be a 3mm thickness bracket. Then I go back this way here. If my thickness is 3, 70 minus 3 by my reckoning will get me to 67. Left click, type in 67, return. I'm going to the top there. Obviously this needs to be 60 minus 3, so I'm going to left click and I'm going to go for 57. And I'm going to complete the bracket, close it off there, and right click and escape line. That would have created our basic sketch. I'm going to click the tick and I'm going to, just in this right hand side here, if I click here and isometric, that shows me our views there. I need to extrude it, so we're going to use the extrude tool. I'm going to zoom in, I'm going to click that there, and I'm going to extrude this by 100 millimeters, and I'm going to click return. And click the tick for my extrusion. I'm then going to just put some simple holes in it, so I'm going to create a sketch on this face here, and I'm going to draw a line from there. If you notice when I left click or when I hover over it, it's got on this line here, it's hovered over, it's got a square. So that is the center point of that line. And I'm looking for the square here. And I know that's got my center line, that's bang on in the middle. I'm then just going to just draw a circle on here. Left click and I'm going to type in 5, return. And another one here, left click, 5, return. So it's a 5mm diameter circle. I want to make sure they're accurately positioned. So I'm going to use the dimension tool. I'm going to just click on there. You notice that's gone orange there and there's a dot there. Click there, drag the line away and change that to 30. And I'm going to do the same at this end. Click on the end there, click in the center of the circle. Might have to come out of that a second. Left click there, and type in 30, and click the tick there. I then want to put another hole in here, so I'm just going to start another sketch on this plane here, and I'm going to draw a line again, just finding the midpoint of this line to the midpoint of that line. I'm going to escape my line and then I'm going to draw another circle, find the center, it's found the center of that line there, and I'm just going to type in 5, return, and finish the sketch. So we've got 3 circles, one there, one there, and one there. So we're going to use the hole tool now to create a hole. So I'm going to click on the hole, I'm going to click on the center of that circle, the center of that circle, and the center of that circle there. Now, in the hole properties here, I can change all my sort of things here. I'm going to maybe change this to a 10mm hole. and we'll make this one, say, the chamfer or the countersinking. Let's change that to 15 and click the tick, and it's given us some quite big 10mm holes here. Just to add further detail, we can play with the fillet tool. I'm just going to put a fillet radius on the end of that corner there. That one there. Now, if I want to orbit round, if you hold the right click down, the right click on your mouse down, you can orbit around your part. And I'm going to just select that part there, that corner there, and that corner there. And I'm going to change my radius in the box here to 15. And return and click the tick. And what we're going to do now is I can just to reorientate myself, I like going to the this box here, click isometric, and we can see, oh, that hasn't changed the radius of those. Oh, see, those fillets there are on different ones. If you just look in our features box here, the fillets are different. That one is different to that one. So I'm just going to double click on that and change that to 15 as well, so they all match. And that should be our bracket. So no need to save this. This is cloud-based software. So once we're out the sketch, once we've done the feature, that'll be fine. Okay, I'll leave it there, and you might want to pick up in the next video.